Project Lead the Way is a project-based STEM curriculum. Middle school, you have like the mini versions of what high school classes are, and high school has engineering, computer science, and biomedical.
We learn a lot of stuff, and it's just very helpful if you want to go in the engineering pathway.
3, 2, 1, go. I am a senior. Basically, I wanted to do an engineering plan after high school in the Navy.
With the introduction of Project Lead the Way, being able to already have that foundation laid, we do not have to spend a lot of PLC time or plan time or outside of school trying to figure out, okay, what is our next thing? What is our next engineering unit that we need to cover? They have already done all of that work for us and provided it in a package that allows us teachers to use their basic foundation and also go beyond. It gives the students the flexibility as well. If they are wanting to dive deeper into robotics, it allows me to do that. If they are wanting to dive deeper into CAD design and going into 3D printing, it allows me to do that. Whereas before, a lot of that time that I wasn't able to make extension activities, it would be spent making the next, trying to figure out my own roadmaps.
We had built like a little tractor, and we used gear ratios to try to make it slow as possible. Like how gears can affect how fast or how slow things are moving. And I think that's really interesting personally.
Navy is very engineering based. There's nuclear engineering, mechanical engineering, just all different types. And this also helps me with my physics and math classes that I also need to have basic knowledge in for the academy or just the Navy. Pretty fortunate, because I feel like if I didn't have what we have at the school, then I wouldn't be like as prepared.
There is no perfect answer. There's no perfect solution in this class, and that is the fun thing as being the teacher of this, like seeing the out-of-box thinking that happens in this classroom. I'm really more of a facilitator during those projects and during those lessons, and that's always super fun to see.